Times when parents first split and they're going through a custody case, one of the questions they have or concerns that they have, whether expressed to their lawyer or to their friends, is whether or not they should bring a new relationship around their children, and if so, when. And in that situation, it is very case specific because it depends on the person that you're seeing, how long you've known them, if there's someone you don't even know yourself that you just met. So the longer that you've known someone and it's less risky to bring the person around the child can be a factor. But if you just met the person yourself, you don't really fully know the person, that you may want to delay introducing your child to the person. Because in custody, it's always about the best interest of the child. And in determining that, yes, someone that you bring around the child will impact your custody. So if you don't know the person and maybe you didn't know they had a gambling problem or a drug or alcohol problem, that certainly can affect custody. Um, you should probably do a background check at a minimum, just like you would if you were hiring a babysitter or screening through care.com to make sure that they don't have a criminal, but that's not necessarily going to be enough. The courts are looking at stability. So if you're not in a stable relationship and this is someone you're not even sure you're going to commit to long term, it's probably not someone that you want to bring around your children. It's probably best to err on the side of caution when introducing someone to your children. But oftentimes it might be somebody you already know. Maybe it's the soccer coach or the baseball coach of your children that you're suddenly in a relationship with, or someone you've known from childhood. In those cases, sometimes they already know your child and it's not going to be as risky. But it's still best to safeguard and look at how your child is, because it's the impact on your child. It's your child's best interest. They may not be ready to meet someone new. They may be confused about the divorce, or if you aren't even married, the separation from the other parent. One thing you never want to do, you never want to replace the other parent. You never want to have the child call the other parent, the new person, mommy or daddy. You always want to encourage the relationship with the other parent and respect the role the other parent has by not bringing in a third party to make decisions or act as a pseudo parent. So those are the things, when you have a new relationship that you should consider for the best interest of your children.